Hello, Redditors! Today we're entering the world of personalized Reddit experiences. In just 1 minute, I'll show you how to create custom feeds tailored to your interests. Let's dive in. First, open the Reddit app or go to the website. Make sure you're signed into your account for a seamless experience. By opening the page, look for 3 lines in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on them. In the drop-down menu, look for the Feeds option and click on it. This is where magic happens. On the New Page, tap Create a custom feed. This feature allows you to select content based on specific topics, subreddits, or keywords. Give your custom feed a name that reflects the content you want to see. Whether it's tech wonders or travel adventures, make it uniquely yours. Then start adding subcategories or keywords that align with your interests. Reddit will curate content from these sources into your custom feed. There you have it. You've learned how to create custom Reddit feeds in just 1 minute. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Happy Redditing!